What is a connected IoT emergency lighting system? It's a smart escape route and open area lighting to an application that allows you to control your emergency lighting system with simple touches of the screen on your mobile device. The Naveo Pro app opens a world of possibilities for your business. You can increase productivity, reduce testing costs, and gain access to real-time data. With its clean, simple interface, the Naveo Pro app is as fast and easy to set up as it is to navigate. First, download the Naveo Pro app and create your account. Once your account has been verified, you will end up on the home page. On the home page, you'll find the health status of your emergency lighting system displayed at the top of the app, followed by the upcoming tests for the selected building. On the left side of the screen, there is a tab slider that shows the hierarchy of your organization. Here you could view your entire organization's operations or separate the issues and tests based on the building or even floor plan. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the main tab menu. This menu gives you access to your devices, commissioning, reports, emergency lighting testing history, and more. On the Device tab, you'll be able to see a list of defective and functional devices in a list format. However, these devices could also be shown in a more visual format through the Map tab, so you know exactly where the devices are located on your floor plan. Need to know exactly what is wrong with an individual device? Simply click the device that you need more information about, and you will be able to find the exact issue and part number you need to fix. On this page, you also have access to the maintenance history, device location, and test results. By clicking on the Test tab, you can also perform a function test for that fixture, which only takes a minute. On to the Configuration tab. This tab is where you could commission a gateway and your devices. You can also schedule monthly tests, assign devices to different groups with the same testing schedule, manage your properties, invite users to join your organization, upload floor plans, and more. Once you have set up tests in the Configuration tab, you can get reports sent straight to your smart device from the Report tab. This tab holds all the detailed information regarding test results, maintenance history, offline devices, and device locations. The Naveo Pro app is a simple, user-friendly app that makes emergency lighting management easier and more efficient. Make your buildings safer by making them smarter with Naveo Pro.